What's going on, y'all? What's going on? You already know what it is. Here in Trapping the Market today. And today's topic, people, we already know Bitcoin, and the price and where is it going? What's happening with Bitcoin right now? So let's take a look at it. Let's dive on in and take a look at it. All right, so let me straighten out my chart right here. And if we go back to my other two videos, I predicted this scenario would happen. I said if we get a candle to close on the 4-hour chart, close under the 45.5, then we could see more downward action. And what did we have here? We had a candle close at 45 or like 44.6 and down. So I'm expecting to see some push right here. We may see some down. I'm gonna zoom out for you guys. Like I'm seeing something on this chart. I'm gonna go to the daily, make this bigger right here. Seeing something right here, like this key level right here. Draw a line. We got a level right here to look out for, which we are at now. Bring this down some right there. We got a level right here. We got a level right here. Another one where we're at right around here in this area. This zone that we're approaching is very important because if it doesn't hold here in this area right here, if it doesn't hold here and closes down here, it can come down to this area right here, which is the 30K level, right? So that's what I see on the Bitcoin chart right now, what I see could possibly happen. All right, and I did a time analysis to see the last time Bitcoin dropped, how long did it take for it to get to that level? So this right here, the top was at April 15th, 14th, that's where the top was at. And the low, the low was June 22nd. So that's April, May, June, roughly about 3 months for it to drop. That the finish is continuation of the downward move on the daily. So right now, the top was at 69, and that was on the, that was on the 10th of November, 9th of November, and now it is at the 5th of January. That's about 2 months. So can there be a more downward action for the next 30 days? That's possible because we approaching this zone. It could break into this zone right here, consolidate here, break down here. The next 30 days, that's what we can see, right? That's what I think we can see possibly in the next 30 days. That is a scenario. Now, if it holds here, there's a chance it can come in this zone, hold here, and come up to the upside. There's always a chance to retest this area before it drops to see if it's going to drop. Now, in order to confirm the bulls is in, we have to be in this area of the 52K above this area right here. We need to be in here and closing above this area before we can say the bulls are back in the market. But until then, there could be a downtrend on Bitcoin. We have to acknowledge that idea. So that's that with Bitcoin. VeChain, of course, is holding this 8-cent level. The 7-cent level is real strong. So this could be a lot of sideways until Bitcoin gets back on track. So this could consolidate in this range. I opened up a long position up here around 8 cent even. around this area was able to catch this entry. So let's see how that play out. That's with VeChain, and VeChain, like I said, it all depends. VeChain is a very bullish project. I believe in VeChain. So this token is definitely good. I can see this going, definitely being here for the long haul, and it's actually holding up pretty well throughout all this volatility, and it's holding itself pretty good. So what else do we have? Some other altcoins. We got MATIC over here. MATIC was pushing up earlier. I think it got to the 229, 230s at 225. MATIC is very strong. Polygon is definitely a good project to trade if there is a bear market coming. Polygon is definitely a good crypto to trade during the bear market, along with Gala Games. Gala Games is looking pretty good. Gala Games may come down to the 37-cent level or under to the 36-cent level. But it all depends on Bitcoin, you guys. If Bitcoin falls, we're going to see falls in these altcoins. If Bitcoin falls, we're definitely going to see falls in these altcoins. And Ethereum, let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum needs to hold. Well, it's already broken its 3,700 level on the daily. So I'm gonna zoom out on this. It's already broken its 3,700 level on the daily. So really, we need to see Ethereum bounce off of this EMA right here and hold above this EMA, which is at the 3,300 level. 3,300 level, if it breaks and closes underneath the 3,300, we can see it come to the 2,793, 2,800 level. So the 3,300 level and the 2,800 level, we need to watch those. If it closes under the 3,300, it could come to the 2,800. That's a possible idea. All right, so that wraps it up with Trapping the Market. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe. If I brought you any value today, please like and subscribe the video, share with others, and we'll be back again with more Trapping the Market tomorrow.